All right, I'm just going to do a quick update here before I get my photos going. But something I want to show you folks. Previous videos, take a look. You remember how I was showing y'all? Look at this. Zoom. There you can see his little entrail. And there he is in front of the sun, taking off. Look. And believe me when I tell you, this has taken me a long time to think and get this straightened out. To find these. Oh, crud. He's off screen. Stand by. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I had to move the screen up. See? There he goes. Whoop! And look at that. Wings on each side, and then his tail behind him. This is on a different colored angstrom of light. Now, you got to remember that when you're looking at the sun this way, it really changes the color. So the only way that you see these guys is if they're right in front of the sun or next to it. Now, I actually did take pictures of it with my phone of each one that I found in both this green one, excuse me, and in the oh, what color is this one? This is 94 angstroms, and this is 335 angstroms. See them right there? See? I had to take pictures with my phone because I kept finding them, and I'm like, oh my gosh. And to go back and move the bottom cursor along oh my gosh, that takes forever. So look, here he is here in a different color. Going up. There's wings. I'll be showing y'all folks here in a little bit when I get them all loaded up. It also looks like, see, this is 9. This is on the second. Looks like we have a little bit of a coronal mass ejection coming at us here, and I'm gonna stop right here. It'll be coming off right around over here. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled over here. I'm gonna try and stop it on the right time. So we got a little more coming at us, and where are you? Ooh, got a little. Sorry, I just saw a solar flare. Oh, no! Stop. Oh. Gosh dang. Yeah, just keep an eye on this region over here. I'm going to try and stop it in time. Oh, look, a blink. They move this thing so fast. They don't want you to be able to slow it down and catch stuff. I've been struggling with it, people. I promise you. It's been annoying. Whoa. All right. Here we go. And I wasn't even looking at the sun. I was just watching the time. Okay. I believe it's right here at the end, right as it starts to come off. It'll start to come off. Yep. Oh, you see that? Watch. Oh. Folks, they are so messing with me bad right now. I'm literally having to tap this like millimeter by millimeter to get this to move. Because anytime I touch, if I'm not perfectly on it, it'll shrink the screen like you just saw, and it doesn't do that. I don't know what the deal is. They really don't. They're like, seriously, they're getting bad now. Oh, there we go. See it right here. Boom. But take a look at that, like little tornadoes. Look at that. Do you see that? Boom. Boomer. Jar Jar Binks. Uh-oh, big boomer. Coming right at us. Yeah, buddy. How you doing? Okay, so we know that we got another one incoming. Yeehaw. My favorite one. Keep an eye on here. You'll see her popping off. It looks beautiful. I love the contrast. Whoosh. You see that? Oh, yeah. Wonderful stuff. All right, so we'll pick back up here where we left off. We've only got a few left, so no big deal, right? So I showed you him close up to the sun. You saw him. Now all of a sudden, oh look! Now that I showed him to you, you should start seeing it a lot more now. Like, oh, hey, this dude, he's not full of crap exactly. He's kind of serious. And in fact, oh, look at that. There's another one. Whoop. It's almost comical. And now here's the thing: for anyone and everyone that wants to try talking some BS about, oh well, no, again it's space dust or they're little asteroids or little comets or meteors. The sun would suck them in. Gravitational pull of our sun is huge. These little buggers wouldn't be taking off. Oh look, there's my little buddy coming off. Zoom. Where you going? See? There he is. And see, remember, I started off here so that way I'd make sure I had it. but I wanted to go in succession. See? Go ahead. I'm nuts, right? Mm-hmm. You mean I got some? That's about as far as I'm gonna go with that. So, for all those that want to try and be a naysayer, you can kiss off. You know, I mean, how much more proof you need? You need one to come down and land on your forehead? You still wouldn't believe it. If your eyes are not open, and I'm not talking about your eyeballs that are actually looking at this, I'm talking about your third eye, your inner eye, your pineal gland, the eye of Horus. That's what that is, ladies and gentlemen, your third eye. It's your pineal gland. It's right smack in the middle, in between both sides of your brain. And it is calcified from all the crap that our government's been giving us as far as like from fluoride in our water. It calcifies it and keeps it quiet so that you can't actually open your eyes and see the truth. And that is truth. All right, we'll get to some other stuff. All right, this is what we got going on since the 1st. We've got 1, 2, 3, solid C-class flares right there, okay? And a couple of Bs, higher Bs, but we pretty much live in the B. Gosh, that thing is annoying. But we pretty much live in the B section of constant radiation, constant B flare. It's because of all the little Alderaan bombs or Otterman bombs, I think that's what it's called, that goes off on the sun. They've been picking up as well. Let's go to Space Weather Enthusiast. Take a look. Oh, once again it pops down and it's blocked. That's doesn't seem possible, does it, people? I mean, I don't know. You tell me. Doesn't seem possible to me. Oh, I'm not even gonna go there. We'll go take a look at that at another one. Goes electron flux. Yep. All right. Let's take a look at our absorption chart, shall we? Load up, baby. All right. Here we go. See if we were getting some stuff today. Yeah, see any colors there? You see it lighting up at all? Whoop, there we go. Seems like that's about as max it is, so that's probably about 3 or 4. So that's not too bad. I mean, it's X-rays. Not exactly fond of taking X-rays. To my melon. My dome piece needs to be left alone, Z's. Yeah, I guess that was it. Cool. Let's go check some others. Okay, this is at the European Space Agency. This is their Enlil model, if you will, and it's just more accurate for some stupid reason. It's kind of funny. NASA's is terrible, and theirs is pretty much right on. So, from what we've been seeing, so NASA is intentionally lying. Let's go pause. Whoop! Look at that. So, what time we got? 8:12. So that's going to be the 12th of this month, right after 9/11. Interesting. And we're going to be getting hit with the other one. So. This right here is the time that it's supposed to be currently right now is right here. Oh, hey, where are you going? Get back here. I'll try and pause it right on there, and that's when we're at right now. 9/2. Wait a minute, this is a few days off. This is the 3rd. What are they doing? Yeah, this is the 3rd at 3:37 minus 5 hours. Puts us at, or wait, actually add 5 hours. That would be 8 p.m. UTC time. So, we've already had that. That was from the other day. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Gosh, dang it. Where are you going there, bud? So right now, we should be... Alright. Oh, come on, you got this bloody Wanda. There's 4. At 6. 8 p.m. Right there. That's where we're at currently. So, these I believe are the solar winds, and this right here is the actual radiation. Okay? So, we're going to be getting blasted again. It's going to start picking up on the 6th, and it continues up, and bam, till we get to the 12th. That's not going to be no fun, folks. All right, on to the next. I'd like to show everybody a little something here. Watch this. This actually shows us getting tattooed. Look at that. Boom, we got hit on the 30th. And this is the model from before. They never corrected it, even though it was supposed to be, we were getting hit. But this actually shows us getting hit. Now, this is ISWA. It's a little bit different. Now, I'm going to change the date on this, see how this goes, the 26th. So I'm actually going to change the date on this and see if we can't get an updated one. This is how much they don't want you to learn, folks. They have literally completely disabled this where you can't even use it. Look at this. Every time I try to correct this and go to today, before date time, 10 seconds, 1 frame per second. Let's even just go up to 3 just to make it like a normal thing. Apply. Look what it's doing. They don't want it to work. They don't want you to see what's happening at all, folks. Like, they don't care. They don't want you to see. They're not giving you the right stuff at all. Because, I mean, this is the third. This should go all the way out into the third. And it doesn't. Piece of junk. Okay, one thing I need everybody to try and understand is that I'm not an amateur at taking photos. I've been doing this since I was like 8 years old with the comet, Halley's Comet, when I was a kid in Texas, and so I've been taking pictures for quite some time. So some of these photos that you'll see, come here you, are some of my photos that I've actually taken. Now this is with my camera, obviously, but it's got the time on it. And oh crap, I can't just stick and slick to the next. Oh, hold on a second. All right, folks, these are some of the pictures that I've actually taken myself with my telescope and my phone. Some of these are kind of but take a look at that. That's at nighttime. What is that? Or that? Can anybody tell me? Or even that? Like a little cloud or something. And that's the same picture, but now it's white instead of red. Flashing all kinds of different colors, like every color of the rainbow. It's extremely odd. I've never seen them doing this kind of stuff before. There are things going on out there that we are not aware of. I mean, you can tell I'm halfway decent. I mean, these are some pretty good photos of the moon. You know, all I do is just change the color on my phone in the pro settings to make the moon look in different colors. Now, sometimes it's phasey and crappy looking, and it depends on how much, if there's like any kind of high clouds. Now this one, I actually want to find a way to stop. You see that? And that? Yeah, this is just yesterday. I'm going to back that up again. That's a UFO, and that's another sun or planet, if you will. No joke. I'm going to try and back up on that one, so hold on just a second. Okay, one of the things I was wanting to show you, I mean, obviously we saw this. We've seen him coming off, right? So that was something that we saw. Easy to see. You see him right there. Okay? So now, you can actually see him on these guys. Now, trying to remember. I mean, you see, this is a perfectly straight line, and there he is. Okay? You can't have anything that's lit up brighter than the sun. This is the brightest. This should be the brightest object here, but yet you can still see that, and you can see my angstroms, and the date and time, of course, because the bar is all jacked up. And believe me, it took me forever to slowly move these things where I could. Let's see if I can find a good one here to get it to where you can see them. And it was a pain. See, there's another one. Again, the sun is the brightest thing in the sky. Or in space that's close to us. I mean, there should not be anything brighter than the sun. Nothing whatsoever. But yet, these guys are. Now, this is the same guy right here that I just showed you that was in green. Same one, same spot, same time frame. People, come on. Now this one, I'm hoping I can get in on this one so you can really see it here. Look at this thing. UFO going that way, blast of energy, another planet or second sun, and why does that look like it has a box in the middle of it? That could be my shutter on my phone. I really do not 100% know. But that ain't normal, and neither is that. You ready for some more photos? I'll show you. Here you go, folks. See that nice little round thing there? That is either our second sun or it's some form of a planet or another. And that's what's causing a lot of our issues here. You don't believe me? See, there it is again. Here you go. There you go, right there. So shut up.
Really?